Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Frank, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys on how to do something exactly like this. As you can see from the screen here, you can see a white background at the left hand side of this section. You can also see a white gradient moving towards the right hand of the section, and you can also see an image that is on this section. That is the background image, and as you scroll up, you can see the image static while that section screws up. It remain where it is. So I'm going to show you exactly how to go about this. And before we get started, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, kindly do so now, and also click on the notification bell so that you won't miss important updates when I drop them. Now without further ado, let's get started. Okay, now, so the first thing you need to do, you need to log into your WordPress dashboard. So as you can see, I'm using Elementor and Elementor Pro for this. So if you don't have Elementor or Elementor Pro, so you need to install these two plugins as it's one of the requirements for achieving this. So using Elementor, so the first thing we have to do, we have to build the section. So you can see this particular page, it doesn't look good. So I want to make it that way. I want to improve it so there can be a white background on the left side and a the white color move towards the right hand side of the particular section, and there'll be an image as the background image of this section. So I'm using custom code to do it. So I'll be dropping the code that I'm going to be using on my video description. So be sure to check the video description for the exact same code that I'm going to use. You can customize it to your taste. Okay, now so we're going to be creating it. So first thing you need to do, you can see this plus icon here. You click on it. So it's going to drop down. So once you drop down, you are going to add a plain section. So you can choose this container here. Click on it. So once you do that, we want to add a background image. So this image we are adding. So I want to know the name of this image now. Okay, living room classic. Okay, got it. So once you click on this section, you go to the style because we want to add the background image. Go to the style. You can see this background. When you hover on this classic like a brush icon, you can see it. You can see it here. So you click on it. Okay. Now you can see a drop down for you to choose to put an image, and also for you to choose the color, background color. So for this video, I'm going to show you how to put an image. So just hover on it and click on choose image. Okay, so for that exact image we'll be using, so I'm just going to search it now. Okay, so what is the image we are going to use? So click on select it. I'm going to select it. Okay, so as you can see, the image is here. So the next thing we're going to do now, we're going to paste all of these tests. We're going to paste it here. So what you want to do now, you just want to click here. So you copy it. So you paste it. So you copy the other one here, which is you paste it, put your mouse before the this first test here. After the test, you put your mouse down and you right click and you paste. Okay, so we are doing same for these two. So you right click and copy and you paste it. Okay, now so be sure to check the alignment. So you want to make sure that it is they are aligned to the left. So go to style. Okay, so it's pointing at the left. So check for these two. I'm very sure it's on the left side. Okay, left. So you can see from these Stony Creek cleaning services, it's way too long. I want to make sure, I want just the Stony Creek cleaning to be the first test. Then these services should come down because it's too long here. So what we're going to do, we're going to add a break. We're going to add a break after the cleaning. So what the break here. So I'm going to content. Okay, so you can see cleaning here. So what you want to do now, want to add a break, which is BR. As you can see, put your brackets, BR, then closing tag, opening tag, BR, and the closing tag. Then it's going to work for you. Then, okay, so the next thing is to implement the code. So I already wrote the code for making, for achieving that effect. Here, there'll be a white background here, and also there'll be some faded gradients sort of thing that move towards the right hand side. So I'm going to share it now. So I'm going to my VS Code. Yeah, so this is my VS Code. This is the exact code that you're going to use. So what you just have to do now, you just have to copy this, copy the code, go back to Elementor. So the way for you to implement this, you want to click on the entire section, not on the text box or any of these texts. So you click on the entire section, so you can see this entire section here. You click on it. So you click on the container. Okay, now so once you click on the container, you go to advanced. Then you scroll down to custom CSS. Now, be sure for you to have Elementor and Elementor Pro installed. If you have only Elementor installed, you'll not be able to have access to this custom CSS. So make sure you have Elementor Pro installed on your website so that you can implement something like this. So I just want to paste this code here. Good. So you can see everything is looking clean and sharp. So we can edit it from here if you want. You can see this for this width it makes for the it control this background color here. So if I should remove 10 and make it 10%, you can see it's way too small. So you can just play with it and just customize it the way like it. So if I should make it 120, so you can see if I should make it 200, you can see this 200. So, but I just want to make it 100 because I prefer 100%. Okay, so this is it. So we can go away with this particular one here. I don't like this. So I'll go away with this now. Okay. Um, then the next thing to do, you just have to publish this. So at the right hand top of your Elementor page, you see the publish icon here, the publish button. So click on it. This will come live. Okay, great. So our website is live now. I want to see it. You can see this eye icon next to the publish button here. So it means preview. So once you want to preview your work or your changes, you can just click on it. So I'm going to click on it now. You can see it's loading. Perfect. So guys, you can see how this looks. I think the network is bad. It's- okay. So you can see it here. So this image we need to as you can see from the image, it's not sticky. So we need to work on this image. So let's go back now. Okay. So click on the section. Okay, go to the style. Okay now. So for the position, okay, for the position here, we want to set it to cover or rather center. So we want to set it to center and okay. And for the attachment, okay, you can see so we want to set it as fixed. So we want to try fix. Then we want the repeat set to no repeat. So no repeats. Then for the display size, we're going to set it to cover. Great. So want to publish this now. So publish it and check changes on how it's going to look on live site. Okay, it's still loading. Just have to. All right. So as you can see, the image is looking good, looking sharp. So as I scroll up, the image is fixed and it doesn't move. So as each successful test scroll up, it goes up to. You can see the effect shadow, the kind of white gradient moving towards the right hand side. So guys, that's how you can do it. And if you need any website help or you're willing to build a website in WordPress or any other CMS platform, you can reach out to me. I offer my service on Upwork. I'll be sure to get started with any project. You can get on call to discuss your business thing, all of that. So thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like this channel, like the video. So thanks for watching. Bye.